What's happening, SKILLSART family? It's your brother Blas here at the SKILLSART Trading Academy, and today we're going to go over the absolute basics of price action to get you started trading. And let's go to the computer and get started. Alright, here we have Great British Pound, Japanese Yen on a 4-hour. Eventually you'll find your own pair and your own time frame to work with, but this is what we're working with today just to get you guys started. So what you want to do is find the overall resistance, which is the roof, which is the top. We're going to see where this price action has been stopped out. It could not reach that point any higher. Couldn't even try it here. And then we're going to find the bottom, the support. This is the floor. There's the floor. Overall resistance, overall support. Now you're going to find areas in between that price could not break. So here I see this place where it tried it, and just about here. So we'll put one here because it tried it twice. It tried it here, could not break, got rejected. Here, rejected. Here, rejected. All right, so now you're building your support and resistance here, and now you're going to start looking for trends within that support and resistance. Let's close it down to a smaller time frame so we can see where we're going to actually get into this trade. So this looks nice and clean here. What I see here is a broken uptrend. Here we go again. Price tried to break downward here, could not. Again here, could not. This is called a channel here.
If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at skillsarts.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Until next time.